Alright, so here we have an absolutely free synth from Newfangled Audio and Eventide. This is Pendulate. You can get lots of cool and crazy sounds from this free synth. Overall, easy to use. You have things like modulation that you can set up here easily. Of course, they have a bunch of different presets in here as well. I'm not going to go through it in this video because they already have a nice overview video on it. So in order to get this, just head right over here. Scroll down. Here's a preset demo video and an overview video. Scroll down further, put in your email address right here, your platform, and download. That's all there is to it. No iLok required, AAX, VST, and AU. So it's going to work in any DAW, whether it's Pro Tools, Studio One, Cubase, Logic, Reaper, so on and so forth. All right. So of course, this link will be in the description below. Go ahead and pick up your absolutely free synth today.